Hi guys, Sweat69 here, and in today's video we're going to do an assembly of this crossbow, the AK Archery JAG-1. And before we move on to the assembly, I would like to clarify a few things. In my previous video, when I was unpacking and unboxing the crossbow, I said that this is just a rebrand of a main Kang model. I could have been wrong, okay? So take whatever I said in my previous video, take it with a pinch of salt. With that out of the way, let's move on to the assembly. So what do we have here is the actual crossbow, the stirrup, the bow of the crossbow, and 2 bags of essential parts that we will be needing for the assembly. We will start with the front and the rear sight. And I'm just gonna grab the scissors, cut it open, and let's see what's inside of the plastic bag. That's the rear sight. And we have the front side with 2 screws. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way, and I will move on to pretty much installing the front sight. And that's pretty easy. All you have to do is just place the sight over here, and then you grab these 2 screws and screw it in. There is a cut-in slot for the sides of the front sight, and you're gonna need a screwdriver, which does not come included in the package. You're gonna use your own. So, almost there. And now the other side. It's gonna be a little bit more tricky because it's like a spring under tension. Almost. Yeah. And now the front sight is installed. It's as simple as that. Here we're gonna do some corrections later on. Let's put on the rear sight. We just slide it in on this rail, and that's about it. Okay? That's how we do it. This is your windage. And you have, I believe this is elevation. Yes, this is elevation over here. So, yeah. Next, we're going to install the actual bow. And you put it this way, with this slightly curved part downwards, because it curves not only this way, but it also curves this way. The reason for that is because the bow on the crossbow is normally placed at a slight angle, so the actual bowstring can slide over this part over here. So the way we do that, we're gonna need to open the next package. And here we go. And let's see what we have here. Okay. We have Allen wrenches, which is handy. We don't have to use our own Allen wrenches. They come included in the package. And here at this detail, I don't know if you can see it very well. This one goes in here. And the way you place it is so that you leave one of these lips facing forward. So when you place the bow in, that would sit like this. Okay? Let me just see which one is going to be the upper side. I believe this one, the thicker one, goes up. So you take this part and you place it in here, like this, and it should sit flush in there. Next, we take this part, which comes with a metal insert, and now this metal insert needs to be facing the metal body of the crossbow. So we place the insert in like this, and we make sure that the metal is facing forward. Like this. So now what is left, you're gonna slide the bow in, and when we slide it, we're gonna make sure that you see these two marks here, they need to be, it needs to be centered. All right, so we're gonna center it like this. Let me just, it's tricky, so take your time, don't be in a hurry, like I am right now, because I want to make this video as short as possible. And now, what is left, you gotta make sure basically that these two lines are well centered. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. And now we're going to take this bolt and we are going to secure the bow in its slot. Okay? And now the bolt is facing that metal part that I showed you, so you cannot damage the plastic inserts. I'm gonna make it like this. And it's gonna move a little. That's normal. And that's pretty much it. Then we have these things. Now these things, of course, it's obvious, they go over here. Like this. So that's pretty much it. What is left now is just to install the stirrup. It is my understanding that this curved part of the stirrup needs to be this way. So we're going to place it like this. Just it's a little tricky. And then we have these two screws here. Okay. They're for fixing the stirrup. Let me just see if I... Yep. Then you grab your Allen wrench that comes with the package and start tightening. Or maybe it was a better idea if we installed the stirrup first, because now the actual bow is in the way of the Allen wrench. It's a little bit more difficult to tighten the stirrup. But you get the idea. Yeah. And now on the other side, we're just gonna grab this bolt over here, align the hole, and just tighten it. Okay, you get the idea. I'm not gonna bore you with me just screwing in bolts, but this is how you assemble the JAG-1 by Archery. And in my next video, I will show you how to string it. Here it is. All assembled. Like I said, in my next video, we're going to string it using the stringing cable. And in conclusion, I would like to say that I'm trying to make my channel a little bit bigger than it is right now. And I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. So if you feel like my content is good, if you feel that you're learning something from my videos, please feel free to subscribe. And that will help me tremendously. Also, there will be affiliate links below this video to different parts and accessories for crossbows. Feel free to use those as well. Like I said, those are affiliate links. I get a small profit from them without extra cost to you, of course. You know the drill. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.